Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the O-rings in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, 5/16" nut driver, 5/8" open-ended wrench, and a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new O-ring. There are two identical O-rings in this dishwasher. One seals the upper spray arm supply tube, and the other one seals the upper spray nozzle. The main reason for the O-ring to be replaced is if it dries up or gets torn, causing a water leak at the connection, reducing water pressure, and as a result, dirty dishes. To get to the part, we need to open the door. I'm going to pull out the upper dish rack and push it back in, so the rail is going to be out. And now we can remove this guide rail end cap. I'm going to push it in the middle in and pull this tab off. And we're going to take the opposite side end cap the same way. And I'm going to remove the upper dish rack assembly. To remove the dishwasher, we need to first take out two Phillips screws that connects the dishwasher to the countertop. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shutter valve just in case of the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then, using the 5/16" nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. To remove the spray nozzle O-ring, we need to remove the nozzle by turning it counterclockwise. If it won't turn easily, you can use the large pliers. So now we can remove the dishwasher from under the counter. Pull it out slightly and then close the door and we can pull it out. Now we're gonna pull out the nozzle, and I'm gonna use the small flat blade screwdriver. I'm gonna remove the old O-ring. This is the old O-ring next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now I'm going to place a new O-ring on the nozzle. Goes right in the groove. And I'm going to place the nozzle back into the opening here. And now we can secure the connection with this spray nozzle nut. I'm going to place it on the thread and turn it clockwise and then tighten it. To replace the upper spray arm water supply conduit tube O-ring, we need to remove the nut at the back of the dishwasher by turning it counterclockwise. If it won't turn, we can use the large pliers, but be careful not to break the nut. And then we're going to remove this shield. Pull the dishwasher out completely and turn it to one side. Next, we're going to unwrap this thread from under that clip. I believe it's twice. We need to go around it. All right, we're going to fold the insulation, and so we can gain access to this tube. Now we can pull out the supply tube out of the hole, and I'm going to remove the old O-ring with a small flathead screwdriver. And I'm going to place on the new O-ring all the way into the groove. And we're going to insert the tube into the cutout. Now we can place the insulation back. And now we can tighten the string over that clip here. A couple of turns. Right now we're going to turn the dishwasher and we're going to install it under the counter. At a certain point I will have to go under the sink and pull the drain hose and the water inlet hose. Now we're going to install the shield and the nut. We're going to place the shield on right now, and then I'm going to secure everything with the nut. I'm going to place it on and turn it clockwise. And we can secure the dishwasher to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. One on the left here, and the second one on the right. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shadow valve and tighten it using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16" nut driver. I'm going to place all 4 rollers onto the rails. And slide the dish rack in. Right, we're going to start with this side. I'm going to place an end cap on. Bend it and pull it up. And then it's going to click into these holes. We're going to install the bottom end first. And I'm going to bend the center and pull the top on and lock it. So push in the upper dish rack, then I'm going to make sure that the rails are in. And we can close the door now. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.